QR codes are an essential tool for every brand as they give a digital dimension to your product and services. Let's learn more together.
The logistics industry greatly benefits from the dawn of QR codes. Both simple and complex activities are automated. It results in easier, faster, and more effective flow of operations. Here are some ways on how to use them. Effectively manage inventory. Keeping track of what comes in and goes out of warehouses can be exhausting. With hundreds and thousands of stocks, it opens a lot of potential for human error. This is no longer the case with QR codes. They can be placed on packages and can be scanned to automate monitoring. Easier delivery. Packages are manually checked and segregated by destination. This task takes a huge toll on manpower when dealing with hundreds to thousands of packages. With QR codes, it now only takes a scan of the image. Track goods in transit. Constantly updating the location of a package while in transit can be exhausting on manpower. Instead of having to record every single one manually, QR codes can automate everything. When the QR code is scanned upon reaching a hub, it automatically updates its location. Package labeling. Not all information can be placed on the packaging. QR codes address this problem by putting it all on a single image. With the scan of the code, people are shown important package information. The flexibility of QR codes serves extremely useful in the logistics industry. It provides a new way to do operations in a faster and more convenient way. It is revolutionizing the industry and unlocking more potential. Final tip. To save time and money, remember to use dynamic QR codes. Even when your QR codes are already printed, you can still edit your QR code anytime. You can also track the data behind your QR codes, such as time of scan, device type, and location. How to create a dynamic QR code. Step 1. Go to www.qrcode-tiger.com. Enter your data on the fields. Select the type of QR code you want to create. Choose Dynamic QR Code, and then click on Generate QR Code. Step 2. Customize your QR code. Choose Patterns. Choose Eyes. Add logo. Set colors. Choose a frame. Click on the green download button. And you're done. You will be redirected to the track data page. Once done, make sure to use the SVG format for print quality. Now go share your QR code to the world. Cheers!
Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time to learn more how to apply QR codes successfully.